The Stamina ATS Air Rower is both an affordable and high-quality rowing machine that's great for users at any level, which basically employs wind resistance via a fan to create a smooth workout, while the air resistance is what makes this rowing machine one of the best in its class. In terms of design, this unit has a padded and upholstered seat, making it extra comfortable to sit on and work out. Combining that with the overall design of the rower, as well as the air resistance, this alters into a smooth and comfy workout. In addition, the Stamina ATS Air Rower features a steel frame and very sturdy construction, while the big foot pads can accommodate any user's shoe size and come with adjustable straps to keep your feet securely in place while rowing. Feature-wise, the Stamina Air Rower's computer monitor displays the speed, covered distance, calories burned and workout time, everything you need to track your progress effectively. In terms of storage, the frame can be easily folded, and using handy rolling wheels attached to the bottom of the rower, it can be moved and stored wherever you see fit. The Stamina Air Rower is built to last and is engineered for comfort. Because the Stamina Rower's frame can be folded, and because of its excellent compact dimensions, the machine can be easily stored anywhere, and it's not going to be in use 100% of the time, so this is a great addition. It's also surprising how light the construction is, considering its durability. My only remark, however, regarding this product is that for some people the Stamina Air Rower is a bit louder than some of its more expensive Air Rower counterparts like the Concept 2 Model D. This being said, the noise isn't really an issue, but users should be aware that it won't be as silent as a magnetic resistance rower. Moreover, the Stamina Air Rower is an inexpensive and exceptionally designed air resistance machine. Couple that with a comfortable seat, seamless rowing and a nice monitor, and you've got yourself covered. Overall, if you're looking for an air rower that looks as good as it performs and pretty much offers more than what you'd expect from the price, then this is your best pick.